Hello guys, welcome to my channel Michael 3R's DIY. In this occasion, I'm gonna be unboxing the ecobee4. This is a smart thermostat, and this is from Amazon, and part of that Alexa line. So what I like about this is that you can connect you can connect it to your Wi-Fi, and it's controlled by your voice. Also, you can control it by your smartphone. And if you have like a Google Home, because it works with this app here, which it works with Google Home, and also it has it. The beautiful thing is that it has it on. It has the Alexa, built in, so you can ask questions, like how the temperature outside, things like that. And this is a very nice box. It's gonna be ecobee, and let's see how it comes. So this is how it comes. Looks very fancy, right? He has this little thing here. This one is a sensor. So what it does, and this is why I bought this one instead of the other ones, is that you can put this in a different room. Like you know how you have a thermostat in one room, and then you have another room that is a little bit far away from where the thermostat is, and that room stay a little bit colder because the thermostat is just reading the temperature of the room that where it's at. With this thermostat, you have this remote sensor here. See if you can see it. So you have this remote sensor that you can put in that room. Let's say it's a family room where you're watching TV. That's where I'm gonna put it. And the thermostat won't stop heating up the room until this one tells it that is at temperature. The room is at temperature. So all the rooms are gonna be comfortable. It doesn't matter where the thermostat is. So this is how it comes. So see how nice and fancy it looks. Very nice. And it comes with this. It comes with a bunch of things here. These are the manuals. How to set up Alexa voice manual. How to install your ecobee, which is what I'm gonna be making a video of next time. So got the wiring and everything. So now also, this is the rest of the thermostat. This is for the wiring. Okay, so what you got here, it has all the pins, the plugs. These are the pins. So you just plug that together, probably, and you just connect the wires to this part. He also has a stand for this thing, for the sensor. So I'm gonna be setting that up too. And also it comes with a screw, so you can just screw this to the wall. So the nice thing about this is that usually if you go to Amazon, it costs about $200, $250. But if you're here in Massachusetts, you can just go to masssafe.com, and you can get this for half the price. They have a discount for different gas and electric supplier. company. Like for example, I have National Grid, and since I have National Grid account, they gave me a 50% discount, pretty much like $125 discount. So I guess like if you are in a different state, you probably have a similar program to this, and you can just look it up. I leave the link below for MassSafe. You can just look up for your own state, for the other states, what this program is, because you can save a lot of money by buying one of these. And like when you're not home, this is gonna be controlling the temperature, so you don't waste the energy when there's nobody at home. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment below for anything that I'm missing. Well, this is just unboxing, so I'm gonna be setting it up, so that's where I'm gonna put more focus on the actual piece, and that'll be in the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.